guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today what we're going to do is unbox and install an 8-port Gigabit desktop switch. Okay, what is that? What is a Gigabit switch? Okay, basically if you already have a modem router or a Wi-Fi router at home, you can see that there are LAN ports available at the back of those routers. And usually it comes at around 2 to 8 ports available for those routers, even the modem router as well. What if you need more LAN ports for your desktop or laptop to connect to, and they need a LAN cable? So instead of buying a new router to add additional LAN port, you can always purchase a switch. So you can connect this one directly on your modem router or router, and you can connect all other devices through this switch, and it will work just fine. Why? Okay, those are the questions that will be asked. Why do we need a switch if our laptop or desktop or other appliances already have Wi-Fi capabilities? Just connect it to the Wi-Fi network. Okay guys, that is actually a valid point, and you can always use your Wi-Fi network and your Wi-Fi capability devices. And the only reason that why I'm requesting or suggesting to use a LAN cable and a switch is because it is much more reliable and stable compared to the Wi-Fi network. Don't get me wrong, Wi-Fi capabilities of a router of other devices are really getting good nowadays, and they are really stable, but nothing beats the LAN cable. That's for me, my perception. Okay, and one example would be if you're working in an office, you'll see a lot of computers still using LAN cable. Even they're using a laptop, they are opting to use the LAN cable to connect to the network because it is really actually much stable. Okay, and I think that's all, and let's try to unbox and check this network switch. It is really easy to configure. Okay, and let's unbox this one, and I'll use my cutter and remove the plastic, and let's see what's inside this switch. Okay, and what we have here is just the box. Big box, and there you have it guys. It's really small. It's an 8-port LAN port, which one will be used coming from the router or the modem router, and we have here the power brick and nothing more, and quick install guide, but I'll show you on how to install this quickly as possible. Okay guys, and we're going to configure this one. Actually, just put the power cable and the LAN cable. Okay, this one is the power cable for this switch, and I'll just plug it in. As you can see, and you can see there is an LED light. And the red one, the red LAN cable is directly connected to my main modem router. Or sorry, it's just my main router, okay? And I'll just plug it anywhere. So randomly, it should work. So after I have plugged that one, as you can see, it's on port number 6, and the LED light should blink also for port number 6. And this black cable is actually directly connected to my desktop LAN port. And as you can see here, I'm not sure if you will be able to see it clearly, I don't have any LAN connection, and even though I try to access the internet, I'm not able to access the internet. So right now, what I'm going to do is plug the LAN cable anywhere as well. So let's just plug it on port number 2. Okay, and I should have 3 LED lights here. One for the power indicator, one for LAN port 2 for my desktop, and LAN port 6 for the coming from the router. Okay, and let's try to check if we are now able to access the internet. Okay, I would just like to show you that it's already connected. And let's try to check, press enter. Okay. And I was able to access the internet and maybe YouTube, and it's working. Okay, and as you can see guys, that is really easy to configure and set up. If you have more than 3 or 4 appliances or desktop or laptop that you want to connect using LAN cable, purchase a switch, maybe a 5-port or 8-port or 16-port or 24-port, depending on your needs. But this one is usually really recommended if you want a stable and reliable connection. This also works for access point. If you have multiple access point running in your house or maybe on your business, you can also use a switch. Actually guys, this is just an unmanaged switch. There are other switches as well, like the managed switch, which have more capability, like VLAN, other configuration. You can do a lot of things with those managed switches. But this one, it's just an unmanaged switch, which costs around 1,200 pesos. I purchased it actually on Tech Deli, guys. They have a lot of Tenda products that are really reliable. Try to visit their page, and I think that's all. So I won't be tackling anything regarding this one anymore, because this is just plug and play for your desktop, laptop, and other appliances. Okay, and guys, if you have other questions related to switch or the routers that we have tested, try to comment below. I'll try to answer on those comments as much as I can. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And share this video as well. Stay safe guys. Have a great day. Bye!